Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to disable sound effects on Twitter app. Don't want to hear sound from your Twitter app? You can easily disable Twitter app sound effects. Just follow these steps and you will learn how you can do it. Open Twitter app on your mobile device and log into your Twitter profile. Click on the menu icon at the top left corner. Now proceed to Settings and Privacy. Now open up Display and Sound section. Find the option called Sound Effects and uncheck the box next to it. That's about it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to disable sound effects on Twitter app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.